Hello and welcome to a little data science project. It will be actually a cheese data science project because I'm going to eat a cheese. Yes, I love cheese. Cheese is for me everything, and I'm super excited today because doing a project like this one, like the project we are building, I'm looking for my cheese actually. Of course, if I don't find my cheese, it will be a little bit hard because I'm a bit hungry. I didn't eat anything today, and I feel like cheese mood today. Oh, here it is. So that's my cheese, and so it's a camembert from Australia. And what we are going to build today, what I will demonstrate to you, it's a GLM, a Generalized Linear Model pipeline, where we are going to work on the different logistic regressions models about a lot of things actually. And it will be super interesting because having a clear path of where we want to go and what to build, what to do, it's crucial for our project. So in this project, this pipeline, it's a logistic regression pipeline. We use binary classification 1001, and we use a Jupyter notebook model. And this is our GLM pipeline. We have QQplot, we have the residuals, vs fitted, and then that's the plot residuals. That function just does all of these. We have 4 there, and I'm using Seaborn and Matplotlib for the visualizations. And then we have the plot feature distributions. That's just to show how the plots are being distributed. So we use enumerate there. That's a Python inbuilt function where we can just show each properties. And we do have in our data, just if you wonder, the data we do work with, we do data / it's sample.csv. I use pandas for this, and we have 3 columns. So we have the age, the income, and the balance. That's the three columns. And then we are running this, and in the main function we are doing all of the magic to display and then to save our model. And our model pickle.pickle, that will be the extension of the model, and we are going to do all of this. Also, something quite interesting, I would say, and good to know, all of the dependencies, I asked ChatGPT to write all of them. Scikit-learn, I'm not sure we use Scikit-learn, to be honest. Or do we? Scikit-learn is also to train model. Oh no, it doesn't look like we use Scikit-learn. Probably that was a mistake because we don't at the moment. That's the columns of the use case of the example.csv data. And then we can see there, we have the logistic regression for the model, data processing, and we do use a binomial family. And binomial family, when we use logistic regression, like here's a report I've written that report a few years ago, and in the source code of the report I mentioned my binomial family. And binomial family, or binomial family, I should say binomial, I think there's a different pronunciation between British and US English. Binomial family, it's a crucial part when you use generalized linear model. And as you can see here, I'm using the R function for doing that, and I use family parameter, and then I say yes. I mentioned specifically binomial because I want the binomial family for the logistic regression is part of the theme. And there I added a section specifically for binomial family, where we have the target for the observation as well, and then the variation structure, which is y for p, 1p, and that's the appropriate for the outcome we want. And again, the range, the binary range will be from 0 to 1. for the prediction, and that's a prediction we want to ensure and we want to predict for the project, for the pipeline. So yeah, I hope this project will make sense to you. I will make it public right away now on GitHub, so you can have a look. It's something very common you will have to build in data science. It's always very exciting to build such projects, even data. We learn a lot by doing that. And I wish you to do the same. I mean, I wish you the best on doing similar projects. And it's very simple, very tiny, but it does a lot. When you have to deal with some data, it's also good to use new libraries you haven't used previously, because it will give you a chance to do it differently or to think out of the box thanks to new libraries you haven't used previously before.